I'm going to show you how to use this template, and you can use it for all of your papers, other papers you might have in APA format as well, with a disclaimer I'll mention in a minute. Okay, first thing I'd like for you to do is save this by whatever name you want. You click on the file, save as, save it, with your name and put APA format. I have it saved as Business 105 APA Spring because I don't want to get it confused with other things that I have. So then once you've got it saved with that name, every time you go to write your next paper, like I'm saving it with this name, if I wanted to, I could save it again, save it. This time I'm going to put it as, save it, I'm going to call it my writing assignment or whatever, and give it a new name. Or I might choose to give it the name of the paper, which in this case, we'll call it, I'm going to say basketball ethics for this one. And if I don't want to use 2 lines, obviously, I just delete that right there. But if I had a subtitle, that would be fine. Now, here's the disclaimer. I don't claim to be an expert in APA format. So if I'm losing 1 line, I don't know if you're going to delete that space or not. For my course, this is fine to do it this way. And then I put my name on it like that. And if I save it with the new name, then that template will always be just a blank template, okay? So do it like that and then save it and turn that in. This part here will show you, you're going to put an introduction here. So for part 1 of your assignment, all you need to do is this part here, put the title of your paper, do this introduction here, and of course you could edit it later as you write your paper. You might want to fine tune that. And you are also going to write a reference paper. Here's a little clue, by the way, key. In order to make sure your reference page always starts on the next page, wherever you are at the end of your writing, if you click Control and Enter at the same time, it'll automatically bump you to the next page. Looks like it did there. And actually, the reference page then always stays on the last page. Okay, you got that? Try that and see. You don't want to leave a blank page like this, obviously. I'd already had it bumped to the last page. So anyway, here. So now we've got references right there. Now to do your reference, see, I've got the textbook written in here. If you're going to add a new reference, click up here where it says References. And then over here, it's listed for APA. Click Manage Sources, New, and then add all the information as much as you can about that book. So let me show you here. I've already done the textbook here, so I'm not gonna add it again. I'm gonna show you what I entered though. There's the author's name, the title, the year, the city, the publisher, and everything. I did all that when I clicked on New the first time. And now I put OK. So now it's entered in there and then close. Now watch what happens. When I'm in the middle of writing something, if I want to make a citation there, I would just click here, wherever I want to put the citation, click up here, insert citation, and then I click, bam, there it is, Williams 2020. And at the end, when I want to do it in the reference section, I could do like I just did here already. It's already in place. I would put let's see, I could add all of my bibliography, all the books that I have, and all of the references that I have listed would already be in there, and I would just click Insert, and there it goes.